If you are trying to become a data analyst without a degree or any bootcamp certification and you want to do that within the shortest period of time, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be giving you a complete roadmap on how to become a data analyst in the space of 3 to 6 months, even if you have no prior knowledge about data analysis. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss about data analysis as a career path, and also I create video that teaches you how to become an healthcare data analyst if you want to specialize in that niche. Data analysis is a fast-growing career path and also a well-paying job. So if you are considering becoming a data analyst, then you are in the right place. Also, I encourage you to watch this video to the end as I'll be dropping a very important tip at the end of this video, and I bet you'd want to know. So with that being said, let's dive right in. The first step is to master the core tools, and this is the most important step. So let me quickly break this down. What are these core data analytical tools? They are Excel, SQL, Tableau or Power BI, and optionally we have Python. For Excel, you have to learn basic and advanced formulas such as if, sum, average, VLOOKUP, pivot table, and Power Query for cleaning your data. And free resources where you can learn essay include the Microsoft Learn Essay, Coursera, and YouTube channels such as Lila Garani and Essay Fonts. For SQL is a very important data analytical tool because you'll be needing this in most job description. Key topics that you should be focusing on when learning SQL include select, how to carry out joins on table, CTEs, subqueries, and platforms where you can learn SQL for free includes the SQL Boat, Coursera, and YouTube channels such as Alex the Analyst. The next on my list is Tableau or Power BI. This two data visualization tool is very important because it is used in creating dashboard and interactive visuals. So if you want to become a data analyst, definitely you'll be thinking of creating dashboards such as this or this. My most recommended source where you can learn Tableau for free is the YouTube, and YouTube channels such as Tableau Team and Andy Cabrera will most likely do justice to that. While for Power BI, I will recommend Microsoft Learn Power BI. Now, the last analytical tool is Python. And like I said earlier, Python is optional because it's an advanced data analytical tool. So as a beginner, I will not be expecting you going into learning Python, okay? But if you will want to learn how to use Python for carry out your data visualization, then I will encourage you to learn libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, because these are the most important libraries that I use for data visualization in Python. Now, if you can commit 1 to 3 hours daily of your time to learning these data analytical tools, then I bet you're able to build a solid foundation in data analysis. Please remember I said solid foundation. Now, the second step is for you to be able to understand the fundamentals of data analysis. There's one thing for you to be able to make use of data analytical tools, another thing for you to be able to think like a data analyst. So, for you to be able to learn how to analyze a data like a data analyst, I would encourage you to learn topics relating to differences between diagnostic and descriptive analysis, how to clean messy data, how to carry out exploratory data analysis on your data. Understand what average, outlier, distribution means in your data and what KPI actually mean in real world setting. I know by now you might be feeling this is a lot. Fear not. One way you can go about this is by taking Google Data Analytical course or watch YouTube crash courses that is related to this. Step 3 is the actual game changer. Pick data sets that are of interest to you and analyze these data sets. This is what is going to separate you from somebody who is just watching video. Analyze these data sets, the COVID-19 data, or any data set that is of interest to you. And the most important thing is make sure you share this project on GitHub, LinkedIn, or Tableau Public. Don't worry if you feel this your project do not meet standard. I bet you they are going to improve with time. Now, with constant creating of projects and improving over time, the next phase is to create a professional resume. Build a simple resume that lists your tools, your projects, and your skills. Include 2 to 3 projects that you've created and write a short summary explaining the business values of these projects. Now, if you've crafted your portfolio, apply your skills to real world by volunteering and freelancing. This gives you experience and credibility. You can help a non-profit organization to analyze their donor data or even sites such as Volunteer Match and Upwork. Remember that all these paid experiences and volunteer work are also going to be added to your resume. Now you can start applying to jobs. I would encourage you to apply to entry positions, internship positions, or contract job. Ensure to tailor your resume to each job you're applying for. Use keywords in the job description when applying, and also remember that you don't need to meet all the requirements before you apply to a job. So let's recap all what we've said. The first step we said learn the data analytical tools. Secondly, I said understand what data analysis is all about. The third step is to build projects. Next, build your professional resume or portfolio. The next step is to apply or volunteer for jobs. And lastly is apply for job roles. You can do all this in 3 to 6 months, even if you are working or studying. The most important thing is staying consistent. And this brings us to my last tip, which is consistency and finding a community. The most important thing in all what we've been saying is consistency. If you are not consistent, you are going to, fail or stop by the way. But if you are consistent, you are going to build your skill over time and find a community that supports you, encourages you. So you having a community is also a very important thing. Probably a friend, a community, somebody that pushes you when you are feeling down or when you are stuck when analyzing a data, somebody you can go to and explains it to you. And this is all what my YouTube channel is about. If you look at the description, you will see my social media pages. You can always reach out to me if you are feeling stuck or if you need somebody to push you to keep on going on. Then just chat me up on LinkedIn, on IG. I'll be there for you, okay? If you find this video helpful, then kindly leave a thumbs up and also share this video to someone who is just starting their data journey, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more data analytical tips. Also, if you are transitioning from any career path into the healthcare data analyst career path, then ensure to watch more videos relating to analyzing healthcare data in this YouTube channel. Here, I teach you how to analyze healthcare data using data analytical tools like Tableau, SQL, and Python. Bye for now and see you in my next video.